The MEATER thermometer is a smart cooking thermometer that syncs to your mobile device. It can be used for grilling, baking, and more. My timing when I grill is pretty terrible, so this has been a lifesaver. The MEATER comes in this fancy box, which also serves as the charging station and Bluetooth hub for the device. It has magnets to mount on the fridge, and the entire thing is charged off of a single battery inside. To use the thermometer, you'll need to download the free app on your phone or tablet. When it's time to grill, choose the type of meat you want to cook and tell it how well done you want it. Follow the step-by-step directions for placing the thermometer into the meat. The box, serving as the Bluetooth hub, needs to be close to the thermometer while it's collecting data. The MEATER thermometer tracks internal and ambient temperatures. It predicts exactly how long you have left to cook. You can monitor temperatures yourself or have the thermometer notify you when you need to make an adjustment or when it's close to being finished. If you need to let the meat sit for a few minutes after cooking, it tells you that too. My grilling has greatly improved since I started using this, and it's not at all intimidating to set up. It's very simple, and I highly recommend it.